like never before. And I wish you all the love in the world. But most of all,